In this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the problem when you plug in your SD card in your MacBook Pro and you cannot see it. So in this case, I have the latest operating system I'm going to show you. So I have a Big Sur. Maybe it might work with another operating system, but if you have this issue, I'm going to teach you how to fix it very quickly. So I was having the problem that I couldn't see the SD cards. Surely that is why you're watching this video. So the fix is this. I was able to fix it in this utility, but I wasn't able to see it here on Finder, either on Final Cut. So what I did is this. Once you do that, you press Command space and then you type disk utility. Once you type that, you're going to see this, and all you have to do is right click here and then click rename, because if you have something that is untitled or you don't have any name or something like that, you may find this, or you may find this type of problem. This problem may occur. So in order to fix that, just type whatever, GoPro 2 or something else, and then you're not going to see it right away. So what you have to do is right click and then eject, and then put it back in, and it should work. So hopefully that was useful. If you have any question, leave me a comment in the section below, and see you next class.